Hi, my dear students. Today we are going to talk about or to revise for the quiz, inshallah. Okay, let's see first the question. Complete. The proportion is A of two or more ratios. Do you remember the definition of proportion? Yes, the proportion is an equality of two or more ratios. Letter B, in proportion, the product of what equal the product of what? We said before, the product of means equal the product of extremes. The drawing scale is a ratio between, we know that, drawing scale equal drawing length to real length. Drawing length and real length. Letter B, if the drawing scale was less than 1, it's represent K. So if it was less than 1, we make minimization or reduction. If the drawing scale greater than 1, it's represent magnification or enlargement. If the numbers 4 and x and 12 and 18 are proportional, then x equal. Let's remember. The middle numbers we call the means, and these two numbers are extremes. The first and last are extremes. So we are going to multiply 4 by 18 over 12. It will be 6. Okay, inshallah, you will complete with revision 1. Okay, and also revise on drawing scale and the proportional division. Thank you. 1 complete. The ratio is, do you remember the definition of ratio? Yes, the ratio is comparing between two or more quantities with same unit and type. Number 2, the ratio. We know that the ratio, first term over second term, first number over second number, or antecedent over consequent. Number 3, the rate is comparing between two quantities with different units. Okay, never forget. Okay. Difference between the ratio and the rate. The ratio must be in the same unit, the rate, different units. The ratio between the side lengths of a square and its perimeter will be 1 to 4. The ratio between the perimeter and its perimeter of equilateral triangle and its side will be 3 to 1. The two diagonals are equal in rectangle and square. The rhombus is a parallelogram in which two adjacent sides are, equal. The parallelogram in which its diagonals are perpendicular and not equal. Which shape is a parallelogram? The diagonals perpendicular and not equal. Yes, rhombus. Parallelogram in which its diagonals are perpendicular and equal. Square. If I want to simplify 300 grams to 1 kilogram, first we have to convert from kilogram to gram by multiply by 1000. So the ratio will be 300 to 1000. Then divide both of them by 100. It will be 3 and 10. And we can simplify again. So it will be 3 to 10. 11, 5 and quarter to 14.5. First, we have to start with removing the denominator. So we are going to multiply both of them by 4. Both of them by 4, it will be 21. It will be 58. And there is no more simplifying. Okay. If A to B equal 2 to 3 and B to C equal 3 to 5, then A to C equal, it's a combining ratio. So we are going to write A to B to C. Then write the first ratio, A to B, 2 to 3, and he didn't ask me about C, so I'm going to write dash. Okay, then second ratio, B to C. He didn't tell me about A, so A not exist, so we are going to put dash. Then write the other ratio, 3 to 5. Okay, the two numbers under each other, put it in box. Okay, then the first number will move to the first dash and the second number will move to the second dash. Okay, and make multiply between the two sides. 2 by 3 equal 6, 3 by 3 equal 9, 3 by 5 equal 15. Can we simplify it again? Yes, we can. Divide by 3. It will be 2 to 3 to 5. So the ratio between A and C is 2 to 5. The tractor plucked 14 fathoms in 3.5 hours. Then the rate of performance of the tractor. We know that rate means fathom over hours. So it will be 14 over 3.5. It will be 4 fathoms per hour. The ratio between the length and the width of rectangle is 9 to 5. If the perimeter of the rectangle is 56 meters, find out the length and the width of the rectangle, then calculate its area. This exercise is very important. Okay, let's understand how to solve it. Okay, let's draw the rectangle. Okay, you don't need to draw the rectangle, just to understand why we make this. Okay, so we have lengths and lengths. So in rectangle we have two lenses, not one. Okay, widths and widths. So in rectangle we have two widths. Okay, and the perimeter of rectangle equal length plus width by 2. It means 2 lengths plus 2 widths, right? Okay, so in ratio we have length to width. How can we write length to width? No, not length. How can we write length to width? To perimeter. No, it means length to width to length to width. So length to width to length to width to sum. We repeat this ratio because we have two lengths and two widths to get the perimeter. Okay, we can't write only length to width. It's wrong. Okay, we can write length to width to length to width. Why? Because we have two lengths and two widths. To sum اللي هو perimeter. So write 9 to 5, 9 to 5 will be 28. The sum of them 28, and the real sum is 56. Then start to find length equal will be 56 by 9 over 28 equal 27 meter, and the width equal 56 by 5 over 28. It will be 15 meters. So the length equal 27 and the width equal 15 meters. So the area equal length by width equal 27 by 15. It will be 405 meters square. Thank you. Okay, let's see classwork booklet page 47. If the number of the learners in the first class 2 over 3, the number in the second class, and the second class 5 over 7 third class. If the number of learners was 92 persons, find the number of the learners in each class. This exercise we are going to form ratio as first by the combining ratio. we have to write first class, second class to third class. 2/3, 2 to 3, and we don't know the third class, then put dash. Second class to third class, so we are going to write 5 to 7. Okay, and put the numbers inside the box, and we know that this number jump to the space, and this number jump to the other space and make multiplication. 2 by 5 equal 10, 3 by 5 equal 15, 3 by 7 equal 21. Here we don't have any simplify. This is the simplest form. Then we are going to write this ratio again. First to second to third. We write the to sum. Why to sum? Because the number of all learners is 92. So we are going to write 10 plus 15 plus 21. We must add the ratio as first. 10 plus 15, 25, 25 plus 21 equal 46. And the real sum is 92. Okay, first class, Caesar, we are going to make 92 by 10 over 46. We know that the number with the question mark will put it down, and the other two numbers multiplied up. Okay, it will be 20. Second class, the same. We are going to Caesar. Yes, make Caesar. 92 by 15 over 46 equal 30. Third class. 92 by 21 over 46 equal 42. If we add all of this together, we will find the sum equal 92, and this is the sum of learners. Thank you. So we can say that the drawing scale is a ratio between the drawing length and real length. Okay, we know that the drawing length and real length ratio, we can express it in form fraction. So here, if I want to draw the magic triangle for this rule, can I put drawing scale up? If I put it up and I want to find the relation, so if I put drawing scale up, it means drawing length by real length? No. We said that the relation is drawing length to real length, or drawing length over real length. So what are we going to put up? We will put drawing length, and down we will put real length. So the relation is drawing length to real length, or drawing length over real length. Okay, drawing length, if I want to get drawing length, we know that we will multiply the bottom. So drawing length equal drawing scale by real length. If I want to calculate real length, it will be drawing length over drawing scale. This is the magic triangle for the rule of drawing scale. You must do this, and you must keep it well. Okay, so let's revise. Drawing scale is a ratio between drawing length and real length. So it will be drawing length over real length. So drawing length over real length, and drawing length, if I want to get it, drawing length, drawing scale by real length. If I want to get real length, I will divide drawing length over drawing scale. Okay. If the drawing length was greater than 1, like 150 to 1, it means we make maximization or enlargement. We make maximization or enlargement. Okay, if the drawing scale was less than 1, like 1 to 10,000, it means we make minimization or reduction, minimization or reduction. Okay, you must know the difference between them. Okay, let's see this example. Classwork booklet, page 55, number 4. If the distance between two cities on a map is 3 centimeters and the real distance between them is 9 kilometers, find the drawing scale. Number 1, find the drawing scale. We know that the drawing scale is a ratio between drawing length to real length, so we must write this ratio first. Then he told me that the drawing scale, the drawing length 3 centimeters. Why we said that drawing length? Because it's the length on the map, so it's a drawing. So drawing length we will put 3 centimeters. 2, real length, he said that the real distance equal 9 kilometers. Okay, can we make ratio between centimeter and kilometer? No, we must convert from kilometer to centimeter by multiply it by 100,000. Then it will be 3 centimeter to 900,000 centimeters. Then simplify. Divided what? Divided 3 will be 300,000. What does it mean? It means that each 1 centimeter in drawing equal 300,000 centimeter on real. But if I want to calculate it in kilometer, we have to divide this, divided 100,000 will be 3 kilometers in the real. Okay, it will be 300,000 centimeter in real. Okay, let's see what is the rest of this exercise. He asked me to calculate then the distance, if the distance between two cities on the same map is 5 centimeters. Another two cities in this map, the distance between them 5 centimeters, calculate the real distance. So we are going to put 5 centimeters under the drawing length and question mark under the real length and make scissors. We know that to calculate real length, we will multiply 5 by 300,000 over 1. It will be 1,500,000 centimeters. So if I want to calculate it in kilometer, divided it by 100,000. It will be